Okay, quick video before I release the next video, which might take a really long time. Here's how you get free Minetest / Minecraft models and animations. So go to Minetest, press download, click the one you want. I've already got it downloaded. Then press extract all. Make sure you go to minetest.net, not minetest.org or anything, because those ones are viruses. And now you see you've got this folder, and then just search character.blend. And now see that you just have characters. There are no textures on it. You can set any texture you want. But I'm just going to add that really quickly. Shading and use nodes. And I'm just going to select the default one. As you see, it's kind of like messed up, but we can fix that just with a bit of UV editing. And I know that the textures don't quite look right and they're blurry. We'll fix that in a second. So now that we've got this pretty much ready, we can go back to the shading tab and select closest, and then you see everything looks fine and it's good. And you see that you have all the animations used in Minetest here, which is based off Minecraft. So you can just really quickly string these animations together to make your own short. Hope you enjoyed this video, and bye.